Well, here we go again. Just when you think the stock market's recovering and everything's going back to normal, here comes another downturn. So what are you going to do? Put all your money in cryptocurrency? Yeah, right. The answer is, and has always been clear, it's gold. The company that I trust is Bishop Gold Group. Bishop Gold Group can advise you on investing in gold and gold IRAs. A gold IRA has the same tax advantages of a traditional IRA while giving you protection by owning physical gold. Now is the time to act before it's too late, and you can also get up to $5,000 in free silver with a qualified purchase. So call Bishop Gold Group today and find out how owning gold can give you control of your future and provide long-lasting financial freedom. Dial now on your phone, pound 250, keyword Bishop Gold. That's pound 250, keyword Bishop Gold, or go to bishopgoldgroup.com.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate through the site within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free. Just go to this exclusive web address, ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free. ZipRecruiter.com/free.
Paid for by Christian Care Ministries.
Let's see, if something costs less, but people are happier with it, that sounds like something to look into, and that's MediShare. Maybe you've heard switching to MediShare to pay for healthcare can save the typical family $500 a month. And that's huge, but it's also true that people are way more satisfied after making the switch, too. The customer satisfaction rate for MediShare is double that of the typical health insurance plan. MediShare works. It's been around for more than a quarter century, and members have shared more than $3 billion of each other's bills. People love having telehealth and a huge nationwide PPO network. So, yeah, you can save a ton and like it better. Imagine being happy with how you're taking care of your health care. So if you're self-employed or part of the gig economy, or you just want a plan you're happy with, you can call right now and get a price within 2 minutes. A very, very smart use of 2 minutes. Here's the number you need. 855-51-BIBLE. That's 855-51-BIBLE. 855-51-BIBLE.
Individual rates, coverage offerings, and savings may vary. Subject to terms and conditions. Not available in all areas. Actual pie customer.
The other workers' comp insurance companies, they were going to reclassify our business, and then they were going to charge me $50,000.
Meet Natalie, owner of the carpentry shop. Shocked by an unexpected bill, she knew it was time to switch her workers' comp provider. That's when she found Pie Insurance.
When we got the quote back from Pie, it was a sigh of relief. They put us in a policy where we fit.
Is your small business overpaying for workers' comp insurance? See how much you could save at trypie.com. Plus, with pay-as-you-go billing, your premium is based on your actual payroll, which means no additional bill if your business grows.
I'm grateful that there's a company out there that's willing to insure us little guys, because every dollar counts.
With Pie Insurance, you get pricing and coverage made for small businesses. What are you waiting for? Ask your agent for Pie, or get a quote in 3 minutes at trypie.com. That's TRYPIE.com.
Join Hala Taha for actionable advice from the brightest minds in the world on the Young and Profiting Podcast. Author and academic Arthur Brooks on what success is.
The husband was confessing to his wife that he might as well be dead. And I'm thinking, whoa, what's wrong with this guy? I turn around to get a look, and it turns out to be one of the most famous men in the world. The world tells you that if you are profiting, money, power, pleasure, fame, you're going to be happy. And that's a bogus formula.
The Young and Profiting Podcast, wherever you listen.
Recession, yes or no?
You're not in a recession if you're a Democrat or if you're a reporter. You are in a recession if you're anyone and everyone else.
Live in 3 to 6 on your radio and smart speaker. 560 KSFO. Did they get the name wrong?
It's not the Inflation Reduction Act. It's the raised taxes on the poor, middle class, and people on fixed income act.
I'm sorry for any misconceptions.
Get clarity with Hannity, noon to 3 on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
to the town hall with the former vice president, and I noticed that 10th had some trouble remembering everyone's name. Take a look at this, watch it.
Meet Andrea Barbara Dansby from Anderson, Indiana.
Hi, Barbara.
Hello.
Barbara, thank you. I've represented Madison County in Congress for many years.
That's Andrea.
Danielle Melosi, she's from Fort Wayne. Oh, Michelle, Danielle, forgive me. We have a process in this country where states conduct elections.